Last one for me. You heard about this vehicle called the Kitty Hawk Flyer? Did you remember that? It's like a boat plane, drone looking thing that you actually sit in.
Okay.
And I mean, it looks super cool. And it's kind of like as if I guess you have to take off and land on water, which limits it in a way to where you who would own one of these. You have to have access to water, obviously. But you see it in the air. That looks futuristic. Does that look cool to you, Will, or what?
Yeah. Yeah, it's personal,
I don't know. You might
You can't have a lot of those, like,
up there at the
around.
same time, over
Yeah.
the lake at the same time. Yeah, it could get dangerous.
Kind of dangerous, but it's kind of cool if you have a lot of money to spend and you have, like, a giant lake.
Yeah, why not? I mean, everybody's got a jet ski. I mean, you take it a step further, all of a sudden you're flying around. Anyway, there's some news here. Apparently, it has now flown over 25,000 times. And it's actually got some legit backing. The company is led by former Google self-driving car visionary Sebastian Thrun. And he's pretty happy that they flew it 25,000 times. No problems. Nobody killed. Nobody hurt. And so on. It's one of 2 aircrafts that they're working on, including an autonomous taxi that they're also working on. So they're interested in the autonomous potential aspect as well. They claim, Will, that this Kitty Hawk Flyer, that anyone with 0 experience can learn to fly it in 15 minutes. Now, that's a very short period of time, and I don't know if it makes you nervous. It makes me kind of nervous.
We should get one at the studio.
Imagine giving somebody that. Give me anyone one of those within 15 minutes. Like, someone's got to slam their heads into the lake. I don't know.
Right in there.
That said, with all those propellers on it, kind of like a drone or whatever, it looks like it's doing a lot of the work to maintain the balance and to kind of keep things in order. I don't know. The way it looks when it's flying, it looks pretty sturdy, but nonetheless, you got these propellers spinning super fast. Sure, someone can get hurt. So anyhow, this is a feat for them in the right direction. And maybe it's an indication that we're closer than we think when it comes to. Would you consider that a flying car? No.
No,
It's a flying boat, I guess.
You got to park it in the parking lot.
Okay, so it's a flying boat, but it's one
very
step.
impressive.
It's one step closer to a flying car, which was promised to us.
Yep.
I don't know if you remember, it was promised to us once upon a time.
Would you fly this?
Yeah, I give it a shot.
Okay.
I don't think I'd buy one because it's only a matter of time.
I'm gonna talk to these guys.
Oh, okay. See what's up. Let me fly one of those.